go around. I've just
Have you been round the show? Round the... have you been inside?
Yes. No, very.
What do you think of that?
Staggered by the collection. The only thing is, I couldn't find another one of those in there. It must have been tucked away up on the lifts somewhere. There was a 140 fixed head, and there was a 140 roadster, but I couldn't see a drop in.
And this is yours?
Yeah.
Could you tell us something about it?
I've only owned the car for 2 years.
Right.
But it was built 1955.
Yeah.
Taken off the road in 1967, I believe, when it failed the MOT.
Right.
And then was put into storage in a very wet garage in Wimbledon.
So it rotted away?
South London, it rotted away. 1989, a gentleman who was in the oil industry up in Scotland bought the car.
Right.
How he found out about it, I don't know. But I've got photos of it going on the transporter up to Scotland. And he didn't have time to work on it at that stage. So when he bought it in 1989, he put it then into storage.
Right.
As it was, and it stayed there until 2001, when he finally got round to getting the company Classic Restorations at Perth in Scotland.
So it's been professionally
to do the work
done?
For him. So it has been then professionally done. When the restoration started, it was white with a red interior. Okay. Although as it is now, British Racing green with biscuit interior is the original.
That's how it was.
How it was originally, and that's what's on the heritage certificate.
Right.
Restoration took 5 years. Didn't finish it until 2006. Apparently there was a 2.5 year delay because they wanted some of the wings and body panels made. And even back then, the company that was making it had to give them a letter explaining that because of the lack of skilled craftsmen at that time, it took almost 3 years for them to get round to make all the panels that were required for it.
Beautiful. So I guess
it was a full body off restoration, chassis, body, interior retrimmed, all the woodwork redone, engine rebuilt, gearbox. And until I bought it 2 years ago, it had only done 4,000 miles in 10 years since it's been the restoration had been completed.
I like the number plate. So I guess this is a 140, is it?
It is a 140 drop head. I'm saying that
What
is
year
that is
it?
the original 1955, and that is the original number plate.
You ever have a look inside?
Certainly.
Been very nicely restored, hasn't it? Okay.
And the car has been entered into the timeline parade at Wroxall.
So it's tomorrow, that,
Yes.
in the timeline? Right, well we'll see you later because we're going to the show tomorrow. We'll come and find you.
Yeah, the trip up today was just purely to come and see the classic works here.
Yeah. You live locally?
No, I've come up from Cornwall.
Right. You've driven it up? Have you driven it?
Yeah, yes. And the car is now, I live in Penzance, and the car in 1964 was in St Ives. So even though it's had that trip all the way to Scotland for restoration via London and everything, it's now just 10 miles away from where it was almost 60 years ago.
Fantastic. Can we have a look inside, under the bonnet?
Yeah.
Original XK engine.
It is, yes.
Did you go to Shelsley Walsh?
Yes, I was there 2 weeks ago with an E-type fixed head.
All right, you didn't take this one?
It was having a little bit of work done. They didn't complete it in time. Otherwise, I would have taken that up there as well.
Right. And was your E-type in the line with the other? There's 27 E-types up there.
I didn't go up the...
In the field?
I went to the drive... Yeah, we're parked up in the field.
Yeah.
But I did the driving school on the Thursday,
right.
which was seriously good fun. And I did that with the E-type.
And you went up the hill climb then?
Yes, we did 12 runs up here.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well, I might have got you on video because I was there.
No, on the Thursday.
Oh no, I did Sunday.
It was actually the driving school.
All right. So, well, thank you very much.
No,
for
you're welcome.
Showing us your lovely XK140 outside this classic Jaguar Classic restoration
facility inside, well worth the tour.
It's brilliant, and we'll see you at the show tomorrow.
Okay, look forward to it.
Thank you.
Complete with its four-rear spats over the wheels and its steel wheels in body colour. It just looks so incredibly aesthetically perfect. A beautiful Jaguar car's first appearance to Jaguar yet. That's followed by Peter Furman's ST120 drop-in coupe, which only came out in the end of 1953. It's a third development of the car. The silver car is the fixed head coupe version, which came out in 1951. So initially the Roadster came out, 1951 the fixed head coupe, which is another revelation because it's a real two-seater sports car that was built like a saloon, a real grand touring. It didn't have wide windows, lockable door handles, a walnut radiator, dashboard, wooden headlining, all the things you expect on a luxury saloon, all in a two-seater sports car. And in 1953 and 1953 drop-in coupe came out, which combined virtues of both cars. It's as rakey as the Roadster with the top down, but the hood can be furled and erected from the driver's seat in seconds. And the wind-up windows of the fixed coupe version, or a dashboard, etc. So there you see all three examples of the XK140 during its production, 12,000 of which were produced from 1948 through to 1953. You have another example of the XK120. I know the red car is interesting one because the red car is not a true Jaguar XK120. It's actually a car from Aristocats. Aristocats is a company in Lancashire that produced replicas based on the slab of the XK120, but with more modern mechanics and pneumatics. It's kitchen and buy, only wood for you, with a glass over body, and a lot of the mechanics technical taste from the old XJ saloons. It's a lovely way of getting into XK motorings at a much more reduced price. It shows you the accolade the XK has had. The companies like this exist to continue the pride and joy of owning a car and style like an XK120. Behind which we have examples of the XK140, there's two examples. The XK140 was actually developed with the XK when it came out in 1954. All the developments here, the front lights have changed. Now we've got more substantial bumper bars, that's the market. Now we've got the smaller cast radiator grille. The engine's been moved forward 3 inches of the frame, even more likely than inside the car, and it's available both as a Roadster, right here, the drop-in coupe, the green car, and the one behind is the fixed coupe, but now it's sort of very hazel seats at the back, a lot more space inside the car, a roof area, and a lot more practical than the XK120. 140 going to production in the second, over an engine model, 140 generation, starting with that model behind, 4 examples of the XK150 was a move forward again. It's similar style, but now smooth down the line, a bit more soft side. So those cars have been turned to a big the drop-in coupe. baby versions. Two big versions there for you. The car behind is a roadster, people want the roadster. That's one of the later versions. The car came out as a drop head, the fixed it initially, then came out very late as a roadster, which is the pure two-seater. One of the smoothest lines, the XK, what's the luxury or the deck area, very attractive place. This is a good example, it's doubly compact car. It's also an asphalt. It will also be a triple cargo version. That's a 50 brake horsepower, 2.4, 60 brake horsepower. The XK stayed in production through to 1961. Very successful in terms of history. V-type, over twice the cost of V-types produced in that period from 61 to 74. So they started the XK as a family toy car.
Cavalcade going up the hill now. This is an opportunity for people to display
display historic cars and some of the trade to display the cars that they've got for sale and maybe demonstrate them to customers. So if you're interested in a car and you talk to the people at the paddock, and it's wonderful to see it. That's the start by Jaguar trucks, lots and lots of patina. I don't think it's ever had a full restoration, which does seem a highly historic car, probably in many ways the most. Currently over in the XK70 Theatre and interviewing Peter Sargent and Peter Sutton, which promises to be most entertaining. At 12:15, all about you will be taking over the venue at the XK70 Theatre with Julian Barrett, Paul Brace of Eagle and John Stowe of Resto Gusto. And that's a technical seminar which will last approximately 3/4 of an hour. And then John Stowe will be doing a presentation on his company Resto Gusto